For years, gardeners have relied on compost heaps, turning piles and waiting for that black gold. But there's a simpler, more natural way: in-soil feeding. Instead of making compost, feed your soil directly, just like nature does on a forest floor. No more turning piles or checking temperatures. Let organic matter decompose right in your garden beds. Bury kitchen scraps, grass clippings and cardboard straight into the soil. This method delivers nutrients exactly where plants need them, encouraging worms and microbes to thrive. It's less work, better for your back, and creates a living, self-sustaining ecosystem. Dismantle the compost heap and embrace this direct, rewarding path to soil health. Your garden and your back will thank you. Traditional composting loses nutrients. Nitrogen escapes as gas and rain washes away minerals. It's also a lot of work: hauling, turning and waiting months for finished compost. Timing rarely matches your planting needs, and spreading compost can disrupt delicate soil life. In-soil feeding, by contrast, works year-round and keeps nutrients where they belong. No more endless wheelbarrow trips or heavy lifting. Instead, you enrich the soil directly, building a resilient ecosystem from the ground up. Let nature do the work. No more waiting for the heap to catch up. Feed the soil, not the pile. The secret to healthy soil: mimic nature. Let organic matter break down in place. In forests, leaves and branches decompose right where they fall, feeding the soil life below. Burying kitchen scraps and garden waste in trenches or pockets gives worms and microbes a direct food source. Nutrients are released slowly, right at the root zone, with nothing lost to air or rain. Cardboard and paper feed fungi, which help plant roots access water and minerals. This closed-loop system builds soil structure and fertility from within. Worms create channels for air and water, while microbes bind soil into rich, crumbly aggregates. You're not just adding nutrients, you're building a living, thriving soil. Skip the pile. Feed the underground workforce. In-soil feeding is easy. Just dig a trench where you'll plant later. Line the bottom with soaked cardboard or leaves for fungi and weed suppression. Add kitchen scraps and green garden waste. No cooked food or meat. Fill the trench halfway, then cover with the soil you dug out. Firm it down and water lightly. No turning, no monitoring. Just let worms and microbes do their work. You can plant shallow crops like lettuce on top right away, or wait for deeper-rooted plants. Rotate trenches around your garden to build fertility everywhere. It's simple, clean, and requires almost no effort. Let the soil life handle the rest. In-soil feeding transforms your garden fast. Worms and microbes get to work overnight. Burying scraps under soil prevents pests and odours, while decomposition happens quickly underground. Rotate trenches seasonally to create fertile zones throughout your garden. Over time, your soil becomes richer, darker, and more alive. You'll need less water and fertilizer, and your plants will be healthier and more resilient. This method builds a self-sustaining ecosystem. No more compost heap required. Partner with nature for extraordinary soil and effortless gardening. Feed the soil directly and watch your garden thrive.